Hallo Leute und herzlich willkommen bei Study German. Today I'm going to share my goals for 2021 and I'm also going to plan with you guys my year and the first day of 2021. So basically I have used a lot of planners and I like certain things in one planner and then I like other things in another planner. But to be honest, I have not found any one planner which has all the features that I want and is as per my liking, and that's why I decided to design and make my own planner. I personally wanted a planner which will restrict me in some categories and let me do DIY, be creative, and give complete flexibility in another category. This planner is, by the way, spiral bind planner. As you can see, spiral bind is really cheap and pocket friendly. This is fairly a very huge planner as well, as you can see. So the first page is sort of a cover page to my planner. I have written 2021 planner as the heading, and underneath there is a work mode illustration. You can find this illustration on Pinterest really easily. I found this one on Pinterest as well. By the way, every design, every aesthetic, every picture, every sticker you're going to find in this planner is either from Canva or from Pinterest. The next page is my yearly goals page. As I said, I wanted enough flexibility in some categories. This is one of it. So basically I have printed bulb stickers at the side of the page to keep things separated. My headings for 2021 goals are academic, fitness, skills, travel, profession and creative. For academic, my first priority is to score 99.99 percentiles in my MBA entrance exam, which is in March. My second goal is to complete B2 and C1 German level. I was supposed to complete my B2 this year, but due to COVID-19, all my plans got changed. For fitness, I honestly am not that brave enough to share it on YouTube. I'm so sorry, but I hope you guys understand it. That's why I'm just covering it with a sticky note. I'm really sorry, but I'm really not that brave enough to share it on YouTube. The third category is skills. So for skills, painting and dancing are my two goals. I enjoy painting and dancing a lot and I am really good at it, but I always used to make excuses to not do it or to not continue it. So this year I'm going to do it. Next is travel plans. I'm not sure if I can fulfill this because of COVID, but if possible, I do want to travel to Himachal Pradesh, that is in India. And lastly, for profession and creative, my main goal is to achieve 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. I know it's a very big goal, but if I have set this on such a high level, I believe I'll fulfill at least half of it, more than half if possible. The next goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers on Instagram or 1,000 followers on Instagram. There are more goals which I want to write here, but it completely depends upon my entrance exam, which is in March. That's why I have left some space to write it down in future. The next page is like a January cover page. I have put a small January calendar as well for quick reference. Now I want to write my monthly goals just to have a clear vision and direction to achieve my yearly goals within time. Honestly, we focus on so many things at the same time that we end up procrastinating it and not doing the task in real life. So breaking down your goals in small projects is extremely important. Remember, being busy doesn't really mean being productive. I heard this sentence somewhere, I think on one of the TED Talks on YouTube. I'll put the link of that same video underneath in the description box. Go watch it. It was really influencing and in a good way, obviously. But I really loved it. I really enjoyed it. It motivated me a lot. So go watch it. Maybe it will motivate you to make a planner for yourself and be more organized for this year. My next page is tracker page. It's very self-explanatory. This month I want to focus on gym and how much water I'm drinking. Okay, next page is my monthly review page. Here I'm going to enter all important dates, classes, appointments, my shoot days, my script days, my uploading days, etc. And I'm going to color code it, obviously. I'm going to write the things or the plans which might change in future. So I'm going to write it with pencil. So if it changes, I can simply erase it and write it again. This is really a great exercise to do. Trust me, you will always feel much more organized, pre-prepared for your appointments, plans, classes, etc. Finally comes our daily plan page. So each box is for each day. So for January 1st, I'm going to make a kind of a checkbox style timetable, if I should say that. And write down all the timings as well, so that I can be productive enough on the very first day of our year. And yeah, that's it. Let me know if you like such videos, because I would love to make such videos. I enjoy planning a lot. So comment down below your 2021 goals regarding German as well. I will meet you in the next video. Until then, cheers!